Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candice. Thanks so much for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to find out how to create this look right here. So if you want to find out, make sure you hit the big like and subscribe button and keep on watching. We're here in my bedroom because I have all my makeup like set up on the floor already with me, and yeah, I don't want to walk downstairs. I got some pretty dope lighting up here too. It's au naturel. If you guys want to follow along, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is pop open with the color Voss and go in with the E40 tapered blending brush by Sigma. I like to look slightly on an angle so I can see my crease at a higher point. Applying and swiping and circular motions. Okay, so when you have blended that out from basically the tip of each brow side to each other, blend smooth and to perfection, we can move on to the next step. But as you can see, it kind of already started to create the illusion of a cut crease for you, and that will be easier for us to follow. I'm gonna quickly pop off camera and finish this eye as we go because I just can't do that. We're going to grab the medium angled shading brush, the E70. We're gonna pop into the shade Snatch right over here, and we're just going to apply it right below the last color, following the crease that we just created and applying it a little bit lower than the last color just to create more dimension in your eye. Okay, so now that we have that color applied, we've also blended out in the outer corner of our eye. We're going to go ahead and set our eyelid with something to make the yellow color pop all that more. What I'm gonna grab is the L'Oreal Infallible Paints eyebrow shadow, and we're going to use the navy color. I'm going to use this brush. It's a flat tipped brush, and we're just going to apply it to the center of our lid and use our fingers to blend out. Going in with our finger, we're going to go into the color Girl Crush, and we're just going to apply it all over on top of the blue color. Now before we fix up this eye, I'm going to quickly pop off camera and do the other one, and then we'll move on and it will look a lot better than okie dokie. So it looks really weird right now, I will give you that, but what we're going to do real quick is we're going to go back in with the Sigma E40 and the color Voss right here, and we're just going to quickly touch up the first color that we used just to bring the color back on top of our lid, just to really bring that crease to the place that you want it. Next, we're going to go back in with the E70 and the color Snatched very lightly and just blend it upwards from our crease, the same as before. We're swiping side to side. So now we're going to go in with the pencil E30 and the color Strong right here in the corner. Just lightly tap it onto the tip of the brush, and you're going to ever so gently put it into your crease. And go back in with the angled E70 blending brush and just blend upwards again. And you can create as much dimension here as your heart desires. Okay, I'm going to go in with one more shimmery shade, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible eyeshadow in 757 Silver Sky. I'm gonna use the large shader E60 and just pop it right into the middle of my lid. I'm finding when I'm using the navy color and the Infallible lip paint, you have to be really careful what colors you're using because it actually blends into whatever colors the paint colors would mix into, so it's trippy as fuck. Finish off the look by getting a eye shading brush, the E55, and we're gonna swoop the brown color Voss underneath our eye. So we're just gonna continue to build some color with the color. Athena! You made me tap the color against my eyes, sweetie! We're gonna go back in with the color Snatched. We're gonna go back in with the color Snatched and the eyeliner E05, and we're just going to lightly line the bottom of our eye. Okay, the last step is going to be applying your eyeliner and mascara, which I'm going to do off of camera, and then I'll see you guys in 1 minute. Okay, I am back. I popped on some eyelashes and eyeliner. I'm super freaking happy with the way this turned out. Like, it looks cool. It has a very like Alien or Jurassic Park kind of vibe to it, so I'm feeling it. It's cool. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for the next video. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Possibly a tutorial of some sort. I literally have zero clue, but stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the big like and subscribe button before you go. Bye! You know, to say hello. Hi, sweetie. Hello.